down there, you can see the jets. See the jets down in there? This car's got all kinds of jets in it. It's full of them. So we'll tear into it. See what she's like. See what's going on up in there. And get this bad boy back to going. I'm excited. There she is with the gap in her there. That was a pain to get off, it being cold. A little bit warm. Can boot stretch a little bit. Everything's a little bit better. I might clean my exhaust pipes up a little bit there on the inside. Well, I got access to it there. Like I said, it's some old Scoot Pro 2 520. She's been a good one. Been a good one. I got 6th place state championship 4-stroke B North Carolina hair scrambles. So that's pretty good. But I had 4th wrapped up and I wound up meeting the gal, which is my wife now, and courted her, missed a few races, so you know, that's the way it works out though. Kind of fell behind a little bit. And boys pretty fast, so it's hard to catch up with them. Now, like I said, I just ride for fun. And I'm real slow compared to my buddies. I always have been, so they've always been faster than me. But I usually stay right there with them. I can see them anyway, so that's a good thing. You know, I was a little faster about my younger days, but start having kids, start thinking about stuff a little bit different, not be so crazy. You know, try to survive, I guess. I think that's what a lot of motocrossers do. A lot of pro athletes, some of them, it's in this sport here. So I'll look over some welds and look over some stuff, make sure everything's good. I'll put it back together. Well, now it's time to tear into the carburetor. I hope y'all enjoyed this little episode. Talk to you soon. Have a good. Alright, so my problem is the slide stuck. So look inside there. Alright. I got it. Everything's smooth. Everything's working good. We'll put a bit of cleaner on. The slide working there. Now these carburetors are, these 4-strokes need a bunch of air. That right there is a bunch of air. You think about it. You got that sucker wide open, you are pumping a bunch of air and pushing a lot of fuel through this engine. And that's one thing I like about these. These carburetors are finicky, but this new fuel injection is probably even better. But I'll tell you something. These carburetors right here, when they set up right, and they run right, they ain't all clogged up, they do a fantastic job. Rick's done a fantastic job on this bike. This bike will flat out haul a mail now. I'm telling you, it's a 100-mile-an-hour bike, so there's nothing to play with. I love it. Alright, well, I'm going to clean this thing up a little bit, and I might get her back on tomorrow. We'll have to see. Might put her back together and go riding. Alright, hope y'all enjoyed it. Catch you later.